Whoa, even that one. Whoa. Can you eat that?
Portable. Where are you going? Into the water?
Can swim?
I think so. And you just grab stuff. We're heading towards the road.
This is quite cute, right? You sure it's not a beaver, right?
Nah. You can tell by the tail. No, I'm not scared either.
Why don't you use the camera to zoom in to take a good video? Okay. Oh, look, holding it.